And you can also take something thin to make sure that they're open and not blocked. Exchanging the fuel tap, you need a special tool. As you see, it's not straight. And yeah, with this tool it's very easy. Without this tool it's not possible, I would say. So let's see. Yes. No. You see, it's very easy. You don't have to continue here because you can turn the full you don't have to continue here because you can turn the fuel tab on the other side. Hold the screw nut on the other side and you just turn and pull it out. It's a zip version 2. Than all the others. Sadly, currently zip can't deliver it due to quality problems. First step is to put the screw nut onto the fuel tap. There are 2 sides. Make sure that you use the side where you have an even area here. You see, it's a little bit different here. The flat one with the even area goes to the bottom of the tank. And there's an easy trick. You just take the tool and this will help you putting it over the fuel tap. There we go. Now this is a little bit more difficult. So the screw nut bites, but you can also move the fuel tap on the other side and just use the tool for holding the screw. Yeah, it needs some time. It needs some time. There we go. Make sure to position the fuel tap the right way. You got the message. Let me show you this from the other side. The correct positioning of the fuel tap is, see this groove in the tank here? That's where the lever sits. So it has to be straight in this direction. Let's mount the lever straight away. There's a small clamp. It doesn't want to follow. Now it does. Another tip. Make sure that the area where the fuel tap sits, perhaps you should clean a little bit with sandpaper before, especially after it was painted freshly. If there are some noses, if it's not even, then the fuel tap will never be tight. It will definitely leak. You hold the fuel tap from the other side with one hand, that it doesn't move, and then you just tighten the screw nut inside. Not too much, but really not too much. Control on the other side if it's still straight. It is. And then tighten. The second thing you need is a fuel hose that is not too short, not too long, and that cannot buckle. Oh, look at this. It doesn't buckle. There's still enough area that the fuel can flow. Also exchange the original wire clip with the proper hose clamp to ensure that the hose definitely does not come off. The length of that oil tank is 55 centimeters. If you still use oil pump, then go for 65 centimeters. How does this 55 centimeter? To make sure that they're open and not blocked. In the lid, just blow through it. That was it.